Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add text to speech on your videos using CapCut PC. So once you have your video within CapCut, the first thing you need to do is to import your text. And whether you're importing those texts to have like a voiceover caption, or you are going to simply add those texts on your videos like the example I'm about to show you, you can easily use CapCut text-to-speech feature to add some really nice realistic voices on your videos, right? So now within this video you see three girls basically jumping around here. It seems like it's summer, they're having a great time, and what I'm gonna do is just simply add basic text here on this video and use the voiceover to do a text to speech, right? So all we have to do is add the text, and in order to add the text we can go about doing it few ways, right? We can go to text here on the uppermost left hand side and we can write our basic text, or we can simply go ahead and go through the various different text templates and find a whole lot of different text that we can utilize and add on our videos. So if you look here, you can find quite a lot of different texts within the CapCut application. You can expand it and you can find a whole lot of different categories that you can choose from. So you have a whole lot of different categories that you can just go ahead and just go through and add to your video. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to stick to the basic text here. I'm going to just simple add a text there, and I'm going to change the text. And I'm going to simply write there that it feels like summer, right? We can also give this a bit of a styling and just go there to the fonts here and find something really nice. As you can see, I select a text there, and we can even go ahead and change the colors and so forth of the text if we so desire. So it's up to us. And if you don't want to mess around with the colors there, you can scroll down and you can find more presets of various text that you can go ahead and you can test. So you can find some presets, some really nice colors that you can choose from. And if you don't want to use these preset styles, guys, you can go ahead and you can click on effects on the left hand side, and you can find quite a lot of different effects that you can go through, and you might find something that you like, right? If you find an effects that you like and it's not yet downloaded, you can always click on the download arrow and you can basically download that particular style to it and so forth, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave my basic text right here, and I'm going to basically make it a bit larger. Now, how do I add the text to speech here for this text that I add? All I have to do, guys, just ensure that I click on the text, and then you on the uppermost right hand side again, you have text to speech. You will have a bunch of different voices here that you can choose from. And as you can see, they have quite a lot there. So I think the one that I will go here with is the energetic female. And I also like Jessie. So let's say we want to use Jessie. We can basically click on the name here, and then on the lower right hand side you say start reading. So click on that. It's going to apply the text to speech there. And as you can see there, it basically add this the text to speech. You can basically adjust the text as well to your video and to the speech there. So as you can see here, I now adjust the text to speech to the video here so that it all fit in nicely. Now, once you add the text to speech, then and the music, it all bring this video alive. So very nice, guys. And you can go ahead and you can always adjust the volume. If you think that it's too low, you can go ahead and turn up the volume a bit more to your liking and reduce the background noise, or let's say the background music, to your liking as well. But have a look at this. So
It feels like summer.
so guys, in a nutshell, that's how you can easily go ahead and add text-to-speech to your videos within CapCut. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.